at question number 7, page 30. So guys, just want to tell you, so going for Excel exam, the LC science students, in the question, most of the time series will be test for your external exam, okay? But they won't mention which model you have to use. It's up to you actually, your choice, because both will give you almost same answer. Okay, both will give you almost same answer. You can choose which model you want to use. You want to use additive also can. You want to use multiplicative also can. Doesn't matter. Are you okay with that, guys? Even for the DIA students, when you go for my exam, because I will use the past year questions, correct? Okay, it's the same thing. I won't mention anything over there. If I test time series in the exam, uh, it's up to you. You can use additive. You can use multiplicative. Are we okay with that? Yes. Okay, let's start. Question number 7 is the same thing. Please recopy back the question in a portrait mode, like what we did in the last class, remember? Here, water sales leads. So we are doing a multiplicative, so it's y divided with the t. Okay. Previously, when we do the additive, remember it's y minus t. Moving total, moving average, still same working, no different. Okay, no different. You remember on the last time? Still remember, right? Can't remember. Moving total, how you calculate? You follow the question, correct? If the question never said anything about moving total, you have to follow the quarter. How many quarter we have here? 4, definitely we have 4 quarter in the earth. Okay, so total up for 4. It will be exactly on the line. Okay, remember? So that will give you 1. Then cut the first one. Check, is that right? Then for the moving average, what you should do? You plus 3 over 8. Check, is that correct? So the moving average will be your part A answer. Minus of the moving average is your trend, the T. So that will be your part A answer. Sales will be your Y. Okay. So we're going to do the part B working. So just working, then we do the table, remember? Okay. Your reaction like I did this like 2 years ago. Okay, so when you go to S equals to Y divide T, we're going to take the Y divided with the T. Okay, for the additive, what we did, we take the Y minus the T, correct? So here you're going to divide. So in this question, there is no such thing of negative answer. All going to be what? Positive, definitely. Okay, because it's all multiply and divide. Okay, so we're going to divide here. So guys, please take. So for example, you take the 38 divided by 30.13. How much you get? Just follow. Okay. So you get 1.26. 38. That what? 0. 1.26. Divide by T. Check. Do you get the same answer? So the part B still continue. Haven't finished yet. Okay. Are we okay, guys? Can we continue the part B? Okay. Now, scroll up. exactly the same. Certain workings only going to be different. 90% is going to be the same steps. Like the moving total, moving average is the same, right? It's just that we divide for the S. Here also is everything is going to be the same except the adjustment, and the adjustment average is going to be different. I'll tell you what is that. You know what? So simply copy back working over there into the table. Then you total up as usual. We get that? Check. Everyone? The same? Okay, very good. Okay. Average, you know that we have to divide with some number, correct? Divide by how much? Divide by? Divide by 2. Very good. You total up 2 numbers, you divide by 2. So please do that now. Let's divide by 2 now. We get 3.99 if you total the average. So you're going to take 3.99 divided with 4 because we total up 4, correct? Okay, so divide by 4, how much get? So you get 1. If you round it up, you get 1. Correct? Now, like for example, in additive, what we do, if we get negative, we transfer as positive. If we get positive, we transfer as negative, correct? Here, you don't do that. Whatever that you get, just put it into the table because this is multiplicative. No positive, negative, am I right? Okay, so just transfer whatever it is that you get in the 1, 1, 1, 1. See, just transfer. No negative, no positive, no such thing for multiplicative. Okay, now, so what do you do? How I get this answer? You take the average, divide the adjustment. Are you okay with that? Can you see the difference? In additive, what we did? Plus. Here it is what? Divide. Okay, here you divide. Average divide the adjustment, you get your adjustment average. So when you total up, you should get 3.99, which is you should get 4. Now, guys, listen very carefully. This is where it makes difference. In additive, when you total up, what you will get? You will get 0. For multiplicative, you won't get 0. It will follow the question. If you got 4 quarter here, you need to get 4. Are you okay with that? If it is 4 here, you must get 4. If you have 5, you must get 5. If you get 6, you must get 6. It follows the question. That's how multiplicative works. Okay? Please put note somewhere, don't forget. Don't get confused in the exam. Hey, I never get 0. No, doesn't work that way. So your adjustment average is your seasonal factor. That will be your F. Okay. So what's okay, guys? So we are done with the part B. Let's go for part C now. Part C is your forecast, correct? They ask you to forecast what? Forecast the first quarter of year what? 1993. Okay? So we need to do that. But what is our first step, guys? Still the same. No difference. What is our first step we did in the last class? What? Find what? Average. Find average. Increasing what? In trend per quarter. Remember that? I taught you before holiday. I mean Raya, correct? Not 2 years back. I'll get a heart attack. Okay, now, what's the formula, guys? Last t s equal t divided n minus 1. Okay, so go back to the equation. Your t means what? Let's go back here. And please count the numbers as well. How many numbers we have there? You got 8 numbers. So 0.2 minus 3 point will be divided 8 minus 1. How much you get? You get 1.80. So every quarter it is increased by how much? 1.8. In what? In trend. That will be first step. Find the trend. For quarter 1, what? Year 93. Find the trend now. Okay, so go back to the question. We need to find 93 quarter 1 sales, right? That's the question mark here. Okay, so we need to find the trend first, then you can find the sales, correct? So from here 1, 2, 3 times move forward, correct? From the last trend. Okay, 3 times move forward to 1981. So we take the last, right? 2.75. 3 times move forward. Each time increase by how much? 1.8. So times 1.8. How much? So you get 48.15. Check. Are we okay so far? Next, let's find the sales now. Sales for one what? 1993. Now, original here is S equals Y divided T, correct? We need to find what? The sales Y, correct? If I reverse the formula, how it looks like? Huh? T divided by S. Yes, X times what? T. If you reverse it, become multiply. That's why it's called multiplication. Okay? Yeah. Now, do we have a S? Do we have our S? Yes, we just calculated on the B, right? Which is what? 0.66. 0.66 comes here. The T we just find 48.15. How much you get? So that will be our final answer. 31 Remember, the question, the sales is what? Value. What is inside the bracket? Units. Can you leave it as no? Please round up. 32 units. Units cannot leave in decimal, so please round it up. Are you okay? So do you saw which one is different? Okay. So just remember that part. The others are the same for both methods.